Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be introducing to you guys one of the most promising crypto mining project right now that is going on right now. This project is called Cats. So guys, if you're not mining Cats, you're actually wrong, and you might probably miss out on the next huge campaign reward that is coming after dogs. Cats is a huge project that you don't want to miss for anything. But before I even go ahead now to start showing you guys all the positive signs that this cat project will surely cook, I want to first of all say this: if you're yet to start mining cats, here is an opportunity for you to start mining cats. Just go over to the description of this video. I'll be leaving the registration or the join link over there. Tap on the link to start mining. I'll also leave the link in the comment section of this video. You can as well tap on the link there. Don't waste time. Every second counts, guys. And also for those who have started but are feeding or snoozing cats, you should henceforth start mining cats with seriousness. I have made an image and text post about this cat, but it seems that you guys are not taking it seriously. Despite the likes and the engagement that the post is actually getting, you guys are not taking it seriously. Please guys, don't joke with this project. The economy is too tough to take opportunities like this so lightly. So guys, let me deep dive into everything you should know about this cats project. First and foremost, let me start with this. Cat is not a copycat of dogs. Absolutely not. Cats is a unique project created by OG team with deep roots in the Thorn ecosystem. Yeah, it is true that some projects may get more attention than the other because of one or two things, but one thing is sure, one thing you have to remember is that Cat is building and growing in silence. The success of Cat in the near future will surely shock everybody. So guys, don't take this lightly. Guys, I don't want to overemphasize this. Let me just go over to my Bitget account, to my Bitget exchange, to show you guys what is happening there. Cats Premarket is live on Bitget. So guys, let me tap on my Bitget account right away. Let me tap my Bitget app to open it. So guys, now you can see here's the Bitget app. Here's my Bitget account. As you can see, here is the home page. You can see it there. The arrow is pointing at it. Here is the home page. But guys, there is something I want you to take a close look at. You can see where it is written Premarket. Trade cats now. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see the cats logo right there. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see here's the pre-market page of Bitget. So guys, now you can see the coin that is actually topping the chart. You can see there it is cat. You can see there is cat. The arrow is pointing at it. You can see the cat logo. So guys, now you can see that people are actually trading this coin. You can see where the arrow is pointing. The total volume of trade on this coin is actually above 256,000. You can see there over 256,000 trades on this coin. That means people are actually buying and trading this coin right now. And also on the right hand side, you can see that the coin is actually increasing in value. This cat coin is actually increasing in value. You can see it there plus 5.88%. That means it has increased. So guys, now you can see it is increasing in value. So guys, now let me tap on it now to show you guys more details. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this is the Cats coin pre-market details. You can see at the top there in progress. People are actually buying and selling this right now. So guys, now you can see it. Let me scroll down. You can see people are actually buying, selling, and you can see the trade volume is actually high. With this, I don't need to talk much. Let me go back now. So guys, what I will do now is to go over to my Twitter account. Let me go over to Bitget Twitter account. Let me just go over to my Chrome browser. Let me do that real quick. Here's my Chrome browser. Oh, sorry guys for wasting your time. Let me tap on Chrome. So guys, now you can see my Chrome is opening and is delaying. So what I'll do now is to tap on Twitter. Let me tap on Twitter. Let me search my Twitter accounts. I don't have my Twitter app right here. Let me search Twitter. Then let me tap on enter. So guys, now you can see my Twitter account has opened up. So let me search for cats. So guys, now you can see the cats community on Twitter. Let me tap on it to open it now. Let's get to see the post that it made. Let me scroll down now. Oh, this thing is not loading very fast. My network is bad. Come on. So guys, now let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see the post made by Cats on the August 26th. You can see it there. You can see Cats Telegram pre-market trading is live on Bitget. Trade Cats before it becomes available for spot trading. Let me tap on more. Let me tap on see more. So guys, now you can see it, trade now. So guys, now you can see that this is actually legit. This is actually legitimate. It is authentic. So guys, now let me go over to my Cats mining bot on Telegram. Let me show you guys how you can go about all that. Let me show you guys how you can start mining. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Telegram. This is Cats mining bot. You can see that it has over 10 million monthly users, which is actually huge. That means people are actually mining this. So guys, now let me launch it. Let me tap on launch Cats. Let me open the mining app now to show you guys what you need to do, how you can actually mine. So guys, there's something you have to know about this. This is not a clicker game, or this is not a time waster game, just like other crypto mining bots. What you have to do is just to do some few tasks. There are a few taxes that you need to do right here to get more cards, coin and token. So guys, it is not a hard game. It's not something that will waste your time. So guys, now let me scroll downwards. Let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see the tax that you're going to do to get more cards, coin. You can see here I've done this tax and I've gained my cards coin. You can see my reward that I got. You can see. So guys, it's just tax that you need to do. So guys, can see it. You're not actually tapping, you're not actually clicking, or you're not actually doing anything that will actually take your time or stress you. You can see the cards coin that I've mined. You can see it there, over 2,000. You can see the taxes I've done, the rewards, the invite. So guys, what you have to do now is actually to start mining this. So guys, this is very easy. This is an easy money that you need to make. So guys, now this is how it's done. You can see there are so many taxes I need to do to gain more cards coin reward. So guys, you can actually invite more persons. Just tap on friends, they'll be able to invite more persons. So let me tap on invite friends. Once you tap on invite friends, they can be able to share it to so many other persons on Telegram, and also you can copy it from there and share it to various persons on WhatsApp, Instagram, whichever, TikTok, whichever. So guys, now let me go back now to the home page. Let me go to the leaderboard. So guys, now you can see these are the top cards coin holder. You can see the first person there that has the highest number of cards coin. You can see it's over 12 million. So guys, now you can see the number of cards holder. The cards coin holder is over 13 million cards holder. So guys, this is huge. So guys, now what you have to do now is to immediately start mining this coin. Start mining this coin. Start inviting people as much as possible and start doing your tax. So guys, now you can see what's written down here. You can actually gain more coin by actually completing your BitGet wallet creation, and also by calculating your normal score. So guys, if you want to gain more rewards, just do your normal score calculation and also create a BitGet wallet. So guys, once you've done that, your cards coin will increase. The number of cards coin that you've mined will increase. So guys, now I've been able now to bring this opportunity your way. Make sure you seize this opportunity and get the best out of it. So guys, what you have to do right now is to go over to the description or go over to the comment section, tap on the link now so that you can be directed to Telegram to start mining, to start getting your rewards. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I'm going to be bringing more updates on this cards coin for you guys. So guys, we're going to be seeing in our next video, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.